This is the map which you will find near the hostel in Dharamkot. This will show you the path to the Galu Devi temple from which the trek begins for Triund. You will see various signboards and arrows which will guide you properly throughout the trek. There are various stalls where you can stop for break and have some refreshments. The trail goes through forest of deodar and oak trees. The best time for this trek is during summer, months of March to June and September to mid-December, when weather is pleasant. In our journey, we encountered snow at a few places. That view forced us to get rolling in the snow and play with it. The shepherds, also called as a Gadi, wander in these ranges in search of pasture for their sheep and cattle. There were many flowers which seemed to look very different. When I asked a local about these flowers, he told me that the flowers are called as buranj and is used to make buranj juice. Finally, the last leg of this trek was here. Standing at 9,350 feet, the view from the top was marvelous. We could see the snow-capped ranges of the Dhauladhars. There were various stalls selling food eatables, rajma chawal and maggi. Himachal Pradesh has always been special for me. I feel that we should first explore our own country as it has so much to offer.